I'm going to do the distance formula, and it is d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. These numbers at the bottom are subsets, and it just helps you to know which numbers to put where. So here's a template, and I always tell my students, use a template. That way you don't miss the signs, the negative that's in the middle. It helps you put everything in the right spot. So your two ordered pairs are -6, 5 and -3, 1. If you wanted to see what that looked like on graph paper, this is C and this is D. And if this is diagonal, you can't count that. You could estimate it, but you can't count it. So you're going to have to use this distance formula. That's one way to do that. So let's label, this takes about a second, x1, y1, and x2, y2. If you have trouble with math, that might help you. And then use the template, which is the square root, 2 sets of parentheses, minuses in the middle, plus in between, and squares. Now, the x2 and the x1 would be the -3 and the -6. And then the y2 and the y1 would be 1 and 5. All right, so we have the square root, and I'm going to add the opposite here, and a -3 plus 6 is 3 squared. And on this one, I have 1 minus 5. When I add the opposite to that, I get a -4. And it's very important that I put the -4 in parentheses, because if it has parentheses around it, you're going to get a different answer if it does not. So 3 squared is 9, and -4 squared is 16. And the square root of 9 plus 16 is the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is, it's actually positive or -5, but since we're talking about the length of a line, it can't be negative. It's going to just be the 5. So the distance from C to D is 5 units.